Welcome to the Lab Factory in Southington, Connecticut, a creative kitchen serving fresh and delicious foods.
We take a lot of care into every aspect.
Let's check out this one-of-a-kind dining experience.
Really interesting food.
You can feel the love in every bite.
Hi, welcome to the lab. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Larry Tapley. Welcome to the Lab Factory Square. We're going to be making some pan-seared polenta cakes today. I'm going to show you how it's done. Butter in this pan, the jalapeno tomato bisque, a little bit of cream, mellow out the flavors. We'll let these simmer a while, get a nice crust on them. We started with a small food truck. We expanded into this building here. We have created something that's really special. We've really engaged with the community. We love everything that we're doing here. Everything is sourced locally. We take a lot of care into every aspect of what we're doing, from the flavor to the way that we build everything up. Everything is important. How it looks, how it tastes, and how it makes you feel. So we focus on gourmet quick serve. We put together very elegant meals that may not be accessible in a lot of cases, and put them in an environment that's a whole lot of fun. There's a lot of things to do. So we have a couple of our signature burgers. We have the Cool Ranch burger that we just put on, the Poppin' Jalapeno cheeseburger, which has been a staple. These bring in a lot of familiar flavors and upscale them a bit. Then we have some of our Spanish calamari, classic dish that we put a little of our own spin on it with some fig glaze, scallion grass, fresh calamari. We have our pan-seared polenta cakes served over a jalapeno and tomato bisque, drizzled with a goat cheese crema and some scallion grass. So here we have our short rib olive vodka. We toss it in our house-made vodka sauce and top it with a short rib that we braise for 3 hours, super tender. Glaze it with porcini glaze, fresh sea salt, and microgreens. So here we have one of our newer additions to the menu. This is our Cool Ranch burger. It starts off with an herb-infused mascarpone cheese, premium Angus beef, crisp tortilla seasoned with Cool Ranch seasoning.
The food is amazing, but more than that, it's the community and the people who make the food. They make it really special, and you can feel the love in every bite.
The service was really great. They treat you very good here. The food is A1.
They're always making really interesting food. It's always delicious. It's always beautiful.
Thank you to the Lab Factory in Southington, Connecticut. Well, that's my perspective. Hey, New England, what's your perspective? To find out more information, you could visit the lab at Factory Square on Instagram.